is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the new iPad Air 2020 from Apple. This is the latest version of the iPad tablet from Apple, and it gets a new design, new set of features, and is powered by the latest A14 Bionic processor from the company. So let's get started with the unboxing of the iPad Air 2020 from Apple. So as you can see, Apple has pretty much gone with a very sleek and minimalistic design packaging approach, which is why you don't get a lot of textual stuff on there. It's full of white, but you see this design ingrained, the design language of what this new device is all about. They've gone for a very good design refresh with the iPad Air as well. And this is one of the series that iPad has been one of the popular tablets in the market for Apple for many years now. And it's been very hard to say that there are very few takers for a device like this. iPad Air is a version, so you must be knowing that there is a MacBook Air, but then Apple decided that there needs to be an iPad Air version also, and this gets a design refresh and the new features are there. It's powered by the latest A14 Bionic processor from Apple. It runs on the iOS 14 version, but now because iPad get their own ecosystem, it runs on the iPad OS version of the iOS version that Apple has created for this device. So let's open the box and see what all you get inside the box with the iPad Air. As you can see, this is a very sleek box in terms of what you get, and Apple has made sure that you get the basic accessories covered. You've got the adapter, you've got the cable that works along, and it's also good to see that Apple has switched to the more standard connectivity options that's there in the market. So this is the iPad Air as we talked about. This has got this 10.9-inch liquid retina display this year, and as you can see, it's quite sleek and it's quite clean, and the design refresh means that there are more colors that Apple has added to its lineup, and you can definitely check them out. And the 10.9-inch display, it's not very big, it's not very small, it's probably the right size for the kind of multimedia viewing that you prefer. The tablet comes in Wi-Fi and LTE model option, so just in case if you want to connect it to a SIM that works through the eSIM option, you can use that option or buy that option. And then you have different storage options that you can also connect, but since you already know that iPad's storage is not expandable, so you need to make sure that you get the right storage size for this. Talking about the software, it runs on the iPad OS ecosystem that Apple has created for the iPad devices, and this iPad Air tablet is powered by the Apple Bionic A14 chipset, along with different kind of RAM options that also you can check out online from the Apple website. So in addition to the tablet, you have this adapter. This is the USB Type-C adapter. So the biggest change that we feel in the iPad ecosystem this year has been the introduction of the USB Type-C port. So yes, you can use this for power charging as well as data transfer, and you get this USB Type-C cable in the box along with this white color adapter. This is neatly wrapped inside this case. You can just take them off, and both side Type-C port means that you can connect one of them to the adapter over here and the other one to the tablet, and you can do your charging with the normal power source that you get. So that's what inside the box you have, and in addition to this you have this startup guide. So iPads are very easy to use, but still, just in case you want to understand how this device works, how do you sign into your iOS ID, Apple ID primarily, and what kind of features you get. And you also have this option, like, so you see this power button over here on the top over here. This also features a Touch ID now. So Touch ID is something which has been prominent with iPhones for many years, and now this comes to the iPad as well. So what you can do is you have this power button which acts as a fingerprint sensor. You just press this button, you just activate it through the tablet, and what you can do is you can lock the device, so making sure that nobody else is able to access this device whenever you're not around. So these are what you get inside the box with the iPad Air 2020. So as you can see, iPad Air gets a new design refresh, but in addition to this, new features, new hardware also. It's powered by Apple Bionic A14 chipset, and it gets different RAM options, storage options. You have the Wi-Fi and the LTE SIM connectivity option. But the biggest change for me is that you have this physical fingerprint sensor, which is called Touch ID for iPhone users. So they have this Touch ID built into the power button, so you can lock this device so that it's secure, so that nobody else can use it when you're not around. Then it is supported by USB Type-C connectivity, and so not only you get data transfer capability through the Type-C cable, you also can charge it using the Type-C cable, along with this Type-C supported power adapter that comes inside the box, along with the Type-C cable inside the box as well. So that's pretty much what you get inside the box with the iPad Air 2020. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.